Today, Rak-Chang, I'm going to clean the ceiling-mounted air conditioner. Let's see how difficult it is. Let's take a look. We check the working status of air conditioner before start. Next will be easy task. Let's start disassembling. This house has rats. There are traces of rat bites on the air conditioner. Next step, spray disinfectant foam on the air conditioner to give a fresh scent. Completed the job of cleaning the ceiling-mounted air conditioner. If interested, please contact Rak-Chang. Call us 0209-66220 or visit us www.rakchang.com or add Line official account @Rak-Chang.